Hi guys, this is Shiva Reddy. Welcome to the second session on string programs for the Java interview questions. So in this session, I am going to explain the programs highest frequency of a character in a given string and removing the double gates character from the given string and number of characters and words in a given string. So I am going to explain these programs using the Eclipse. So I already written programs for these three and I am going to explain in detail. So first one is highest frequency of a character in a given string. So in order to find the highest frequency of a character, first I am going to explain first the algorithm. The first one is take the input string and then convert that input string to character array, and now we need to have two for loops. One is to maintain the correct current character, and second for loop you need to iterate through the entire array and find how many times the current character is existing or not. If it is exist, then you need to update the count every time. And if the min frequency is going to be like it is going to be hold the how many times the frequency have happened for the character, and each time this value is going to be updated with the highest frequency character. So at the end of the loop you will get the highest frequency of the character, and what is the character and how many times actually it got occurred in that given string. So I am going to explain now this program. Now let us go ahead and see. The first one is I am taking the input string and then I have converted this input string to character array, and min frequency is going to be maintained to find out the highest frequency of the count. So I am going to mark initially it is the 0, and char temp is going to hold the temporary value of the first for loop, and mac occurrence character will contains the which character actually occurred maximum number of the times. In the first for loop, int I equal to 0, I less the input array dot length comma I plus plus. That means we are going to iterate from the each character from the input array. Now, initially I am marking to int count equal to 0, and temporary variable character is going to be what is the character at this position, current position. In the second for loop, what I am doing is I am taking another for loop in j equal to 0, j less the input array dot length j plus plus. If the temporary character whatever I am holding is going to be comparing with the each character of the second for loop, if it is matches, then we are going to increment the count. Once this end of the loop, it is going this count variable is going to hold how many times this temp character occurred in the given input string or the given input array. So that count it will be there. So once this for loop is executed, now I am checking whether min frequency is less than count. So by default it is the 0, and if there is any character finds, then definitely count is going to be more. So that is the reason I am updating min frequency to the count, and I'm going to hold what is the character at that count. That means let us say in this loop we have a count of 3, then what is the character which got repeated 3 times. So that is the character I am going to hold. So at the end of the first for loop we are going to get what is the highest frequency of this character count and what is the character. So end of the for loop what I am doing is I am just printing system highest frequency character in the given string is what is the character at that one, and second one is the and min frequency is nothing but what is the how many times actually it got occurred. Okay, now I am going to run this program and I will show you. If I run the Java application, highest frequency of the given given string is L, and number of times it is 11. So if you see input string whatever I have given, this is testing hello, this is the string I have given. So our highest character in this one is L, and how many times it got repeated is 11 times. Okay, and then second one is delete duplicate characters from the given string. So it is very simple. The algorithm is, first you need to take the input string and find out the each character at that position, and we have already inbuilt string functions to replace. So just replace with the character with the empty string, and that's all. Okay, now let us see. First, I am taking output string as a with the empty string, and for the each now I am trying to iterate to the for loop int I equal to 0, I less than input length, come I plus plus. Then yet first what is the then I am using the string function input dot character at I. So this is going to hold the each position character, and if it is not empty, then first I am taking the output string is equal to output string plus character at this position, and then if this character is occurrence in any place of the given string, then what I am doing is I am just replacing this character with the empty. So at the end of the loop, what you will get is output string you are going to get it, that will contains the only without duplicate characters. So now I am running this program, and you can see output is THISENGTL. So this is the input string we have taken, and in this it removed all the duplicate characters, and finally it finds THI and then E, then HL. So this is the output. So this is the expected output. And next program is on to find out the number of characters in and words in a given string. The first one is I am taking the input string. We already have a inbuilt string functions to find out the length. That is input one dot length. It will give you the length of the given string, and to find out the words you need to use the split method. What the split method is going to take, it accepts the one delimiter. Based on the delimiter, it is going to convert from the given string to the string array. So by using the string array, you have the method of length, so directly you can find the words. If you don't want to use the inbuilt string functions, then the other algorithm is, first you need to convert the given string into the character array, and from the character array you can find out the length. And next one is to find out the words also, you need to first convert this given string based on the delimiter, and then again you need to iterate through the for loops. So this is the another, but this is a simple straightforward features available in the string class, so directly you can use it. Okay, now I am going to run this program and I will show you the output. If you see the number of characters in the given string is 35. So the total input one is length is 35 words it is there, and if you see if the number of words is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if you see the output, there are number of words in the given string is 7. Okay, so now if you want to print, just iterate through this string array and you can print the words. Hope these programs makes clear, and if you have any questions, please comment on my YouTube video. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe for more update on my end. Thanks for watching.